It's March, it's the start of autumn, it's great to get out in the garden and do all those jobs you've been putting off during the heat of the summer. Here's some tips to get your garden into great shape. You get great colour in the garden with the annual flowers, things like petunias or vincas. Growing your own herbs is a great way to save some dollars. Most are easy to grow with just a little care. Most herbs like a sunny spot and well-drained soil. Plant what you and your family like to use and eat in your cooking. It's always great to have parsley and basil growing in the garden. Rosemary is not only great to have in your garden, but you can also use it as a border plant as well. Okay, other things you can plant now are mandevillas. They come in a few different colours and they grow on trellises or up the side of your wall, whatever you've got. They're low maintenance and they love a sunny spot. One word of warning with the mandevillas though, they are poisonous, so keep them away from your pets and your children. Cannas are another unsung hero of the garden with their tropical looking foliage. They're hardy and look great mass planted in blocks. It's a good time to rejuvenate the veggie patch as well in March. Think what you and your family love to eat and get planting. Eggplants, beans, carrots are some of the options to put in now. If you don't know what to plant, come on down to the store, talk to one of the gardening experts. We've got plenty in range and each month they have different stocks, so come on down, we'll help you find something for your garden. Don't forget our perfect plant promise. All of our plants, except seedlings, have a guarantee for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, bring them down with the receipt and we'll happily give you your money back. One of the best things about gardening, aside from all the beautiful flowers, is the harvest. And this time of the year in Queensland, you can be picking things like watermelon, lettuce, and you'll still be able to keep picking the lettuce, just pick it as you need it, cucumber, eggplant, and sweet potato. They're really beautiful. There's lots to do in the garden this month, plenty of maintenance. Now that the weather's cooled down, we can just get out there and start. Get out the pruners and tidy up all your hedging plants, anything like your morayas, anything that needs a good haircut, because trimming promotes new growth and keeps them looking good. Remove your spent summer annuals to make way for new planting. Prepare your beds for winter veggies, work in manure and compost ready to plant. Top up the mulch on the beds, that will help retain moisture and also suppress any weeds. Finally, add some fertiliser to the herbaceous plants. They'll appreciate a boost and put on a good autumn show for you. Gardening is good for the soul and great exercise, so get out there this weekend and get into it. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go to the website.